taking the 150 out. 2026 150R. Ooh, these tires are bald. Not only that, but this thing is dirty and it is due for an oil change. So we are gonna get those things together and get this thing ready to ride. All right, got the supplies to get this thing ready and maintenance. All right, I've never used this thing before, so. How the fuck? Whew. About 5 minutes-ish. Right, you can turn the gas off. Oil should be warm enough. If you have a 150R, these are the things you are going to need. You are going to need Pro Plus. You want the synthetic oil. You don't want mineral. These are going to help you with your mixtures and whatnot, and this is obviously your funnel. So these are basically the 4 things that you will need. So when you're doing a oil change, you have 2 different ways of doing it. You either replace this, your filter, and the oil, and when you do that, you buy a filter. You could probably look that up and find a video yourself of how to do that. You put the filter in there and you put 590 cc of this. But if you're not changing the filter like I am today, you are putting 560. And what we are gonna do to let some air out is take this out. All right, I am a certified worm because I got oil all on my hands. All right, that oil's basically out. Give it a little shake. 560, you will pour. This is what your oil should be looking like, not like that. Oh hell yeah, I didn't even need to buy a new one. All right, now all you have to do is just throw the funnel in there. Lastly, you just put in this little piece right here. Wind feels good when you're sick. Oh my gosh, I feel like crap today. I'm excited to ride. I gotta kind of ride slow over here because all these neighbors will call the cops on me. I knew that shit would happen. Hold on. Please don't turn off on me. Damn, bruh. I didn't even put gas in the bike, bro. I just left. Hey, bro, can you come get me some gas, bro? That's my spot right here, yo. Wait, there's more out there. I think I should go back. Got taken out right there. This would look perfect for an MX track. I know this ain't gonna be an MX track because it's gonna be modern homes, but this looks sick though. If we could just ride here until it's built, like that would be a clean jump. Woo! Oh my gosh! Shit, that was fun.
your ass, bro.